Pause and practice assignments are graded by your instructor, so you won't receive a result right away. The first thing that I would do if I was a student is I would download the ITD 122 student data files right below this video. These are files for the entire class. So you don't have to download them each time you get into a Dropbox for a pause and practice. If you download these files and then extract them all to a location on your computer, whether it's your desktop or whether it's a cloud storage or in your documents folder, you can put your files wherever you want. Just make sure that you have them in a safe spot. That way you can find them later. So if you go to desktop and put them on your desktop, that's where most students put them and keeps things pretty easy. So once you've added them to your desktop and hit extract, then those files will all be on your desktop. It's also important to note if you're on a campus computer, these will not be able to be saved locally. So you will have to use your Google Drive, which is the storage that's provided to you by the college, to put this folder. Once it's on your desktop, you can open up the folder and you will be able to see there's 4 sections. We're going to do Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. And inside Word and inside Chapter 1, you have the files that you need for your pause and practice. So I'm going to close out of this folder for a second, but I would keep an eye on this folder and make sure you know where it is and make sure you don't accidentally delete it, and store all of your files for this class in here. It's already organized by category and then organized by chapter, and then within each chapter you have the files that you need. Getting out of this folder, if you go into lessons and you click on Word Chapter 1, you will see the first pause and practice that appears in the assignments folder. So Word Chapter 1 Pause and Practice 2021. It'll open up more than likely on this page here. Now again, you can download these resources, which you are going to have to click this link anyway, because SimNet doesn't know that I just gave you the files for the entire class. But once you click on this, you would see that Word Chapter 1 folder. Those files are the exact same files that are in the folder that I just gave you. So once you open up that folder, or once you go back to your desktop and open up the folder, either way, whatever is easiest for you, you're going to see those files in your Word Chapter 1 folder. You will have a set of directions. This includes directions for 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3, all in this file. And you're going to just follow the directions. So this is open a new document, open a Microsoft Word, and click blank document on the start page. If Word's already open, click the File tab to open the Backstage view and click blank document. So you are starting this with a blank new document. Some of the other pause and practice projects will have a start file already in that folder for you to locate, and any other items in here that you might need are also, again, in that folder. So there's some text here that's already typed up for you, so you don't have to type it. There's a file that you're going to copy and paste some information from that's already in here, and there will be pictures that you import that are already in the chapter folder and future projects, and Excel files and things that you will need. Again, they're all in this folder. After you've completed the project and you are back into SimNet, it is going to look like the very last image of each section. So let's say you go through 1-1, you work through all of these steps, and again, there are videos that show you how to do these step by step in the actual chapter folder in Blackboard. 1-1 should look like this. You go on to 1-2. 1-2 should look like this. You go on to 1-3. 1-3 will look like this, and this is the completed project here and exactly what it looks like. This is the file that gets uploaded to SimNet. So back in SimNet, you're going to upload and save that 1-3 file, and you're going to hit submit. Again, your teacher will grade these, so you won't get instant feedback like the guided projects, but that is how you complete a pause and practice. These directions for the pause and practice are going to be the same, again, if you download it from here or whether you download it from the link that is in Blackboard. There's also pause and practice directions that are located in your sim book when you complete your Let Me Tries. Those directions vary just a little bit from the ones that are in Blackboard and the ones that are here. I would use the ones that are in Blackboard and the ones that are here instead of using the directions in the sim book. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your instructor.